This video is for converting an improper fraction to a mixed number fraction. An improper fraction is where the numerator is larger than the denominator, so the number that it represents is larger than one whole. I will show you two ways to convert. The first, you can draw pictures, and the second way, you can use division and remainders. So, 9/8. I drew two circles with eighths in them. So what you do is you just fill in the pieces until you have 9 of them. So I'll fill in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then since it's larger than 1, I have to go into the next circle, 9. And then you use your picture to write it as an improper fraction. So I have one whole, and the denominator always stays the same when you're converting between improper and mixed. So the denominator is still eighths because my picture still has each whole divided into 8 pieces. But I've got one whole, so that one's written down, and now I've just got the 1/8 extra. So 9/8 is the same as 1 and 1/8. Let's do this example, 7/5. So I've drawn circles with fifths in them. I need to shade in 7 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if I rewrite this as a mixed number, I have one whole, I still have fifths, and I've got 2 fifths besides the one whole. So 7/5 is the same as 1 and 2 fifths. Once you've done a few of the drawings, you might be able to kind of picture it in your head. And what you're actually doing is dividing. So 13/6. I have 6 pieces in each whole. So how many groups of 6 will I get out of 13? Well, I'll get 6 pieces makes 1, then another 6 pieces makes 12. So that's 2 wholes. Then I have to figure out how many extra pieces I have left over. So you can check by saying, okay, I know I have 2 wholes, or 2 circles, with 6 pieces each. So I multiply, that gives me 2 times 6 is 12 pieces that I've used. Now I've just got one more, the 13th piece. So I put a 1 up here. So essentially what I did was 13 divided by 6, which is 2. Then I check how many pieces I've used up in those 2 wholes. 6 times 2 is 12, and that means I've got one more, because 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay, let's try 16/7. So I still have sevenths. How many whole circles can I fill with 16 pieces? Well, 7 would make 1. Another 7, that's 14 pieces, so that gives me 2 wholes, and then an extra 2 pieces would give me 16. So 7 times 2, 2 wholes with 7 pieces each, that's used 14 pieces. 15, 16, that means I have 2 extra pieces left over. And if you're not totally sure, you can always draw a picture to check. Fractions are very visual, so pictures are your friend.